When your friend does a ball review for you and he's a ultra cranker lol.
0 views. Oh my gosh. Ding. To one strike. There you go.
Pete has a rev rate of 470 ball speed around 17 miles per hour and up. His layout is a length and he throws 15 lbs.
Yeah, call it. That's okay. 12. That was the best one. That sound like an explosion.
That was a good one.
Yeah. Message? Highway robbery.
I don't know how you do that.
Yeah, like that. That was nice. Butcher. That's inside. Hell no. Ew. That thing moved like crazy. There you go. That's looking a lot. Hell. Nope. That's your common leave today. That was nasty. 5 more. You almost had another baby split. There you go. Give me your 3 best shots ever, and that should be enough.
3 wins.
You actually did like 20 minutes almost. I knew it was going to be that. That's what I usually do if it's like like 20, 25 minutes shooting shots. Freaking 4 pin.
I like that.
There goes one. Yep. Wow. That thing, if I'd have threw it like that, it would have been Brooklyn. That's looking a lot. Cut.